How to whiten your yellow teeth naturally at home. Tooth whitening. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy to get your yellow teeth white permanently. First thing we need: 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. I use Colgate one. Pinch of salt, pinch of baking soda, one tablespoon of lemon juice. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Apply a little bit of this paste on the brush and brush your teeth for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, wash your teeth well with water. After the first use, you will notice the difference that your teeth are getting white. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel and make thumbs up for this video.